Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone stop charging at 80. I'll tell you some fixes to solve it. Some iPhone users reported that their iPhone stopped charging at 80%, especially after updating the iOS 18.4.1. This can be frustrating, especially when you need to charge the iPhone fully. This phenomenon is mostly related to iPhone battery management features, which are designed to optimize battery health but can sometimes confuse users. Understanding its reason can ensure better iPhone performance. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first, you should cool down your iPhone. If the iPhone is overheating, allow it to cool down before resuming charging. And also you should take off iPhone case. A protective case can trap heat, contributing to overheating issues during charging. Use the original charger and cable. And also you should keep the battery over 20%. And also you should reset charging optimization. The optimized battery charging feature can sometimes cause your iPhone to stop charging at 80%. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to battery option. Next, tap on battery health and charging. Next, turn off optimized battery charging. Tap on turn off again. And then toggle it back on after a few minutes. Monitor your charging to see if the issue persists. And the next step is reboot iPhone. Sometimes a quick reboot can help you fix your iPhone issues, including the charging functionality. For this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with volume down button and press the power button. Next, a slider will appear, so slide to power off and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen. And you are done. And the next step is inspect battery health. iPhones come up with the battery health option and you need to replace the battery when it's low. To check if your battery health is impacting charging, for this go to settings. Next, scroll down and tap on battery. Next, tap on battery health and charging. Here you will see the option of maximum capacity. If it's below 80%, it might be time for a battery replacement and you are done. And the next step is reset all settings. If the issue continues after trying these solutions, resetting all settings on your iPhone can help. This does not delete your data but reset system settings to the default. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to general option. Scroll down to the bottom and choose transfer or reset iPhone. Next, choose reset and choose reset all settings on your iPhone. It will ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions to reset all settings on your iPhone and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix iPhone stop charging at 80%, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.